guys, it's Miss O'Neill here at Mojo's Art, and we're going to be drawing the Eiffel Tower today. So this is an easy drawing for kids. I usually do it at about a first grade level. The Eiffel Tower, fast facts, the Eiffel Tower actually moves. Heat and wind can cause the tower to move up to 7 inches. The Eiffel Tower is covered in names of scientists. Every 7 years, the Eiffel Tower gets around 50 tons of paint, and there's a secret apartment at the top. How cool is that? So these are some great examples from some past students that I have drawn the Eiffel Tower with, and they have added their own details and painted when they were done, and they look fabulous. So here is a nice photograph to give us some inspiration. But what we're going to be doing is a simple line drawing of the Eiffel Tower. So you can be adding your own kind of details in there. I'm just going to give you the basics. Now, if I go too fast, feel free to pause through the video. So we're going to start out at the top of the paper. I'm using a Sharpie. You may want to use a pencil. And we're going to draw a small square. And so that square is about the size of, say, my fingertip. We're going to add a little triangle on top. I like to do some little buzz lines to show that that's like a radio antenna up there. And then make two lines that come about halfway down your page. So those are going to kind of spread out like a triangle. Add a small thin rectangle at the bottom of that. And then two lines that are a little bit shorter with another small rectangle. Then go down to the bottom of the page in the middle of those rectangles and draw an archway. So on either side of the archway, you're going to want to close up that space with two lines. And then you're going to go back to that middle section and draw two more lines there to add the space in between. And then go up above your first thin rectangle and draw a triangle. You're going to make a line going from the top of the triangle up to the square that you began with. And the Eiffel Tower has what looks like iron X's that come all the way down. So it really just looks like the letter X. So you're just going to make the letter X coming all the way down. And of course it gets bigger as it goes. So your X's will also get bigger as they go. Now you may want to add a few little details into your rectangle areas. And just continue your X pattern all the way down the tower. You know, a nickname for the Eiffel Tower is actually the Iron Lady, and the same person who invented the Eiffel Tower, Gustav Eiffel, also designed the Statue of Liberty, or I shouldn't say invented, I should say designed, but designed both of those structures, and so they're actually kind of like cousins, which is kind of cool. So we're still continuing the X pattern. I did a little crisscross pattern in that odd space just because X's are a little bit hard right there. So sometimes making a little crisscross like a checkerboard pattern is easier. Now you've got your simple Eiffel Tower line drawing. If you want to go in and add some of your extra details in the background, that would be awesome. Details always make your art look better. And again, here's some inspiration from some of my past first graders who did an amazing job on their Eiffel Towers. Join me again at Mojo's Art and like and subscribe. Thanks for joining.